Welcome to Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. Around here, we celebrate the imperfect moments, the spills, the missteps, and all the learning that comes with them. Because it's not about getting everything right. It's about growing, building skills, and enjoying the process one beautifully messy moment at a time. On this channel, we craft, garden, cook up simple plant-based meals, and share real-life family travel tips, always with heart, humor, and a whole lot of grace. Today we're making a simple and charming Dollar Tree DIY using a calendar page and tumbling tower blocks. This rustic mason jar sign is perfect for spring or everyday decor, and it's super budget-friendly. You will need these supplies: 1 pack of tumbling, tower blocks, chalkboard sign, hot glue, paint or wood stain optional, paintbrush, mat podge, calendar page, artificial flowers, cardboard, scissors. Step 1. Build the bottom ledge. Start by gluing your tumbling tower blocks along the bottom of the chalkboard sign to create a little shelf or ledge. Use a pattern of 1 block placed horizontally followed by 3 blocks vertically, and repeat this pattern until you run out of space. Step 2. Paint the blocks. For a wood-stained look, mix about 1 tablespoon of water with a small amount of brown acrylic paint. Rub the mixture onto the tower blocks with a brush or cloth. This gives a nice rustic finish. Step 3. Prep the mason jar image. Cut out the mason jar image from the Dollar Tree calendar page. Don't worry if you can't find the exact calendar. Dollar Tree releases new ones every year, and for the past 3 years they've included a mason jar image. If you can't find a calendar at all, try printing a similar mason jar image from the internet. Or if you're feeling creative, draw your own. Glue the image onto a piece of cardboard using Mod Podge. Once it's dry, add a layer of Mod Podge on top to seal it. Let that dry completely, then cut out the mason jar shape from the cardboard. Step 4. Add the freshly picked label. Cut out the freshly picked words from the calendar and glue them onto the chalkboard sign. Brush a layer of Mod Podge over the words to seal them. Step 5. Create a 3D effect. Glue 5 more tumbling tower blocks along the sides on the back of the cardboard mason jar. This adds dimension. Hot glue the mason jar image onto the ledge you created earlier with the blocks. Step 6. Add finishing touches. Use a few artificial leaves to cover any parts of the image that don't fit your design, like words or background elements you don't want showing. Insert small artificial flowers into the top of the jar image and secure them with hot glue so it looks like a fresh floral arrangement. And that's it. Your beautiful, budget-friendly, freshly picked mason jar sign is ready to display. This DIY is a perfect way to add a touch of rustic charm to your home, whether it's for springtime or year-round decor. I love that most of the materials came right from Dollar Tree, making it both affordable and fun to create. Remember, you can always customize this project with different flowers, paint colors, or calendar images to match your style. Whether you're crafting for yourself or making a thoughtful handmade gift, this sign is sure to brighten up any space. Thanks for watching. Written directions for this DIY are in the video's description. Let me know what flowers you'd put in your mason jar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow to never miss what we're making and learning next. Have a beautifully messy day.